Almost all of my Instagram posts on my main Instagram page are all memes. Well, it's actually now possible to actually make money by creating memes or sharing memes, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So this method I'm about to show you actually works in every country, and it doesn't matter which phone you're using. If you're using an iPhone or if you're using an Android phone, you'll still be able to make use of this opportunity. So to make money by creating memes or sharing memes or viewing memes, well, all you need to do is simply search for an app called Yepp. It's YEPP, and this is how it looks like. So I already have this app installed on my iPhone. Okay, so what you need to do is simply install it on your phone, create an account. Okay, so you're going to be earning a virtual coin which can be converted into USDT, and you'll be able to withdraw. So you can watch memes and make money. Those are some of the things you can do. You can withdraw to your wallet. Okay, you can edit existing memes with a few taps, and you can scroll through the feed and see endless memes. Okay, so I like memes, and if you're having a bad deal, at least watching some memes can actually make you laugh some and forget about the problems for a bit. So in this way, this is actually a good thing about from watching memes. You can get to make some few bucks. Yeah, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith Lorenz.